Hello students, welcome to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Chapter 3, Entrepreneurship Development Part 3. Students, today we are going to learn about functions of an entrepreneur. First point, innovation. An entrepreneur is an innovator because entrepreneur always invents some new ideas, process, product which brings success in the market. He introduces new combinations of means of production. Means he always try to introduce new product or brings changes in the existing products. It means he always try to make or introduce new product in the market, or if new product is not possible, then entrepreneur always try to bring some new changes in the form of new design in the existing product or new flavor if it is a eatable product. It means he always try to bring changes in the existing product. With this, customers are satisfied because entrepreneur has introduced something new features in the existing product, or he got something new product for the customers. Innovation is also necessary to solve problems which arises in the business. Second point, determination of objectives. An entrepreneur has to determine the aims and objectives of business. There may be difference between primary and secondary objectives of the enterprise. He can change these objectives as per the market situation or demand which arises from the market. Third point, development of market. The entrepreneur has to find out different ways for marketing the products and services of his enterprises. Like we all know that in the olden days, entrepreneur always used to do marketing of products or services in the way of print marketing. But now people prefer to go with the digital marketing because with the one marketing you can able to give information to the lakhs of people. He can conduct surveys or research to understand the customer demand. When the markets are developed constantly, the demand of the customers will increase. Fourth point, new technology. In global world, every day there is an invention of new technology. Introduction of new technology always brings result in growth of businesses. For example, maybe in the form of new machinery, advanced technology, or the new and scientific method of production. Fifth point, good relations. It is necessary to maintain healthy working atmosphere in an organization because healthy atmosphere always brings dedication for the employee to work in an organization. It depends upon efficient relations between subordinates and superior. It means always there should be a good relation between the superior and subordinates. Coordination always brings a good relation. Along with that, coordination amongst the employee is the key of success for the organization. Sixth point, organizing funds. Entrepreneur needs to find out different financial resources because adequate and continuous finance is always necessary for business. Different financial resources, it means entrepreneur has to find out the sources of funds from where he can get the money. It may be in the form of shares, debentures, loans, or taking money from the creditors. Good and honest relations with the investor is necessary for every business. Seventh point, taking decisions. An entrepreneur has to take wise decision for his enterprise. Timely and correct decisions are also important and necessary for a proper business plan. He should always consider the pros and cons before taking any business decision because he should know what will be the advantage or positive point or the negative point if I will take any of the wrong decision. So that's why before taking any of the decision, he has to think twice and then take a final decision for the business. Thank you, students.